Hi, I'm back with another video, and I hope you are all full fit and fine, and I'm fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. And today I'm so excited to bring you on a journey through my world in all English. And let's get started with all small things about me. You know that my name is Md.Rabiullahh, and all family members and friends call me only Robi. So my nickname is Robi. You can call me Robi. And you can see that this pond some boys are taking bath, and this greenery field is super excited. After all, I'm trying to say something myself and my world, and you know that I'm a Muslim, and I have to say my morning prayer in the morning. After saying my morning prayer, I come out for morning works, and it helps me to start my day, and it keep me to restart the day with great energy. And you know that every morning I wake up to the sound of the birds singing outside the window, and which I recorded a video you can see above me. And you know that I live in a cozy village around the nature, and you can also see the beautiful scenery of the area. And this area is too familiar for me to me, because every day I create my video this among this scenery. And in the morning, I usually take my breakfast as usual, boiled rice and curry. And you know that I'm a teacher, and I have to go to school. Most of the time, I have to stay at school, and that's why I have to take my lunch with me. And at the evening, I have no time to stay with my family, because I have to go to tuition, and that's why I have no opportunity to stay with my family at night. At night, I will stay with my family, and I give the time. I spend the time with my family, and I teach my daughter. And you know that Friday and Saturday is my weekend, and this time I spend with my family members. And you know that I have a wife and children, and these are my family, and I have lost my parents. So none other than my daughter is my world, and I love her very much. And in my free time, I always like to stay with my family and go out with them. And my hobby is making creative the video content. And you know that as a teacher, my teacher's English subject is my pleasure, it's my passion to teach the student in English. I always encourage my students to learn English, and I always encourage them. English is nothing but a language. So to learn English language, it helps you to communicate with others people, with other countries people, and it's widen your mind. It helps you to get a better job, and a bright future is waiting for you if you learn English language correctly. And I always request them, I always request you, every journey start with a single step. So if you wanna to do something, so start right now. If you wanna do anything, please start right now, please. And if you like this video, and please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And no more today. Bye bye. Allah.